Hello everyone, it is Teacher Sarah, and today we are going to talk about places around town. So, I am a DoorDash driver. I pick up food from restaurants and take it to people's homes. So when I am not teaching at the IRC, I am driving in my car for DoorDash. So I deliver food. I take it from a restaurant and I drive to someone's house to give them their food. I drive all over Atlanta. Here are some places I pass by when I drive. So these are places that as I'm driving in my car, I look out my window and these are places that I see. First stop, the local library. So the first place that I see out of my window is the library. It is right next to my house, right next to my house. So at the Vinings Branch Library, there are books on the shelves and there are computers. Then I pass by the pharmacy. So the pharmacy close to me is CVS Pharmacy. And in a pharmacy, we have a pharmacist who helps you get medicines or medications to help treat whatever you need. So I pass by the pharmacy. Next stop, the local park. This is a very small park close to my house where I sometimes like to go running. So I exercise in this park. It has trees and flowers and benches for people to sit. It is very pretty. Next, I pass the grocery store. So the grocery store close to me is Publix, and that is where people get groceries. They get the food that they need. The post office is next to the grocery store. So right next to the grocery store, I can go to the post office to send letters or to get mail. I pass the high school. So the high school close to me is North Atlanta High School. North Atlanta High School. So high school is people who are a little younger than I am, people in 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, and 12th grade. And here is another picture of North Atlanta where you can see the football field where high schoolers play football. Next stop, the movie theater. So the movie theater close to me is AMC. This is where people go to see movies together, new movies that come out. Everyone goes together to watch a movie on a big screen. Next stop is the mall. So at the mall close to me is Cumberland Mall, There are lots of stores to buy clothes or shoes or food, and people go shopping there. So lots of people go to Cumberland Mall to shop. Then I pass by Suntrust Park, where the Atlanta Braves play baseball. So this is the baseball field. It is very new, and that is where people come together to watch Atlanta's baseball team. Time to get on the highway. The highway. Now I go to a different part of Atlanta. So before I was in the north part of Atlanta. Now I am in Midtown, so closer to the middle of Atlanta. I pass the Botanical Gardens. So the Botanical Gardens are like a giant park with lots of flowers and trees and sculptures. So this is a sculpture of a woman made out of flowers. And it is very, very pretty there. There are benches for people to look at the statues and to look at all of the flowers. I pass Piedmont Park. It is much bigger than the park near my house. So Piedmont Park is a large park with lots of grass and trees and space. The park near my house is a local park. It is much smaller. So local or near me means it is usually smaller. I pass the High Museum of Art. So a museum of art is a place where lots of different art, lots of paintings and sculptures are stored, and people go to the museum to look at the art. This is what the High Museum looks like on the outside. So the High Museum, that is the name of this art museum in Atlanta. Time to head home. So time to go back to my house. I get back on the highway. So I get on the highway again. On my way home, I pass one of my favorite places to get ice cream, Brewsters. So Brewsters makes very yummy ice cream. It is a very good dessert. The end. Thanks for driving with me.